Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to show you the updates for Axie Infinity. Targets updates with my customer set. First of all, guys, congrats everybody who made an amazing profit in 2021 with Axie 36,000% gains for Axie. This is what people looking for from this cycle, but I guess we will never see again something similar like it was after the COVID dump when they print just trillions money and people made a lot of gains, but now we have to build a realistic price targets, and also take a look. This is a basically not a Ponzi, but this is a bubble. This is a real bubble, how it always happen. And imagine the token dumped from $165 dump to Donald Trump crash in October to 55 cents. Amazing, just an amazing. And probably these targets will be invalidated, and I will delete this fee because we build that fee in at 2021, 2022. So it was like impulse correction, 27 zone. We rejected at the top of 18 level by FEEP, like 1926, consolidate under, and we got all chances. We can delete this monthly tiny gap. We got all chances to push it price higher again to $41. And so when I posted the bull run plan, it was more than real to see the pump from $8, for example, to 41, and after that even to 100, because we work only with the current prices, and here from that 27 level, to reach $100, not new all-time high. I never talk about a new all-time high. It was like realistic 1,000% gains during the altcoin season. But now when we dump to 55 cents, I don't think so. We will even reach the $41. Also, I posted an updates here before the dump in June 25. So we count the realistic gains also to the monthly fulfill. It's like 1,700% gains. It was the more than real to see. Now, after the dump, imagine we have to skyrocket 7,000% gains and 500. I don't think so. Fulfill 8,000% gains. I don't think so. Of course, it's possible. Everything's possible. Maybe they burn the supply. I don't know. Something crazy partnership can be. I don't think so. Anyway. So no makes sense to talk about even the 100 anymore. Now let's work only with this local zone. This can be the trend line. Yes, I'm not a fan of the trend lines, but yes, it can be something like this one. So at $5, for example, if you want to buy at 1, at 5, it will be not a mistake to fix the profit. Also, if you bought at $1, at $2, it will be not a mistake to withdraw the initial deposit. Monthly gaps, guys, looks like, yes, also here, $5, it can be the test of the downtrend line and the fulfill of monthly gap. It can be the April, for example, March, April 2026. So yes, it's possible like 1 to 3 months in a row to see the upside move. Right, maybe even higher, break, retest, and maybe the April, May, we can sweep the $15, for example, but after that going down. So now the target is by timing, if this cross the lines is correct, it can be the March 2026, $5. And of course, guys, from 50 cents, it's 800%, pretty good one. So just in case, if you catch the knives here, first of all, after the 100% on the spot, it's not a mistake to withdraw the initial deposit and ride with the free tokens even to the moon, if you believe in it. So wait this test. All right, let's go back on the daily. We close over than 50% of this dump. So take a look here. Till penny tested 78 level by FEEP. Sometimes people complain, oh, it's just random. No, guys, it's not random. Some tokens move more accurate, some less accurate, but market makers, I guess they run the soft and the bots. So they just deliver the price because of algorithm, and the FEEP is just math. So here, this was a week of correction daily perfect test, 75.8, and go higher. Now rejected 23. So zone of fixation based on this fib is going to be here $1.69, $1.78. This is it. After 100%, it's not a mistake to withdraw initial deposit. Got it. Weekly time frame, guys, take a look with indicator set ADZ direction. Now we're in accumulation. Of course, we're in a crazy accumulation. Last time, when we've been in a crazy accumulation here, it was accumulation made somewhere 2. We bounce it, and after that, wrecked again. But of course, I don't think so. We can compare that Zone 26 and Zone 22. It's totally different time on a market, on the cycle, on seasonality. So now I'm more bullish. That's why I'm waiting that top on ADZ, something like it's happening here. And it's hard to say where we're gonna stop. Maybe it's gonna be 5. Maybe it's gonna be the liquidity pool here, $10. Maybe 15, for example. We can't know. But what we can, it's just to work with the money and the risk management. Based on ADZ, it was an accumulation, right? Now we pump it without signals to sell. No signals to sell on direction. So like conclusion, guys, I'm waiting the test of $5. Hard to say by time. Maybe earlier, maybe later. It's hard to say. Because it's like a magnet, it's fulfill of the monthly gap and the test of the downtrend line. And I will be not surprised if there is a take profit line on the weekly. Market mood, guys. Locally, daily, it's aphoria. After the capitulation, of course. Weekly, it's still a disbelief. Nobody care about Axie. Now it's Axie sound like a pump, but take a look here. Since November 74, we're in a crazy capitulation zone. This is it. Money power. Some money in, yes, was here in December. So some whales accumulated. Whales also accumulated here 1-2 months accumulated, but after that we crash it. Anyway, so it's not a solution like if some whales accumulate, it's time to go all in because you see some money inflow. Whales also make mistakes, or they accumulate an average to put the price double X, withdraw initial deposit, and make profit with the free tokens. So we can't know the plan of the market makers. Trade on, sell, jewel, take profit, buy, take profit from the last signal to buy. It's no signals to sell yet, so let's add alert. Sell. I will see the notification. Highly recommend to do the same. Buy signal. Wow, it's good. It's good. Why it's good? Because on not so many tokens, guys, on the weekly time frame, we saw the signal take profit. Here, the sell was in March 74. Now we get a signal to close short position November 75 and the signal to buy in December 25. So sometimes we don't need to click too much. Just stick to the plan and wait. For many tokens, we need to wait the take profit from the sales, and only after that, start build the entry. Also, take a look. Yes, this is what I told you. Lines are dynamic, and maybe till March 26, the exit line will be exactly the $5. So now the test below $1.95, it's a test below fundamental value of the token. Buy line below test 256, take profit line 515. But of course, it can be earlier, maybe by end of maybe February. Take profit line at 515 and exit line, this could remember 582. If the lines are dynamic, and we will see this one test of the cross lines 5 and 2 cents in March. Possible. Monthly, I guess there is no data yet for the take profit, and daily the road can be open locally to take profit line 153, exit line 173. Buy line retest, I don't think so. We're gonna drop in retest at 77 cents. 12 time frame, take profit exit line $1.42. Test of the buy line, I don't think so. We will test it again. It's 63. So I'm more bullish than bearish for this token. For upside move to test below. So let's also add alerts to the take profit line. We'll come back to this video later. Take profit Exit line, yes. Exit line on the weekly. So guys, targets and idea I showed you. If you'd like to trade with my customer research I will show it in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.